Hello guys, my name is Akshima Agarwal. Today we are going to discuss the topic how to avoid nested Python loops using product function. Let's discuss what are the nested loops. Nested loops means loops inside a loop. Means we are using two or more loops inside a program. So whenever we are using the nested loops in a program, we need to iterate the same lists the number of times to get the desired output. So it becomes a time consuming process. Moreover, if we are using the two or more loops, then it takes a lot of memory. So these are the drawbacks, the nested loops, which we are able to overcome with the help of the product function. Let's see an example of a nested loop. Suppose we have the two lists x 3, 4, y 5, 6. Now we need to find out the Cartesian product of these two lists. So how do we write? We're going to write the for loop. We need to write another for loop. Then I'm going to print. So this is a simple approach to write the Cartesian product of these two lists by using the nested loops. So what will be the output? This will be the output. So if we are seeing the line of codes, that is 3. But with the help of the product function, we are able to reduce these lines of code into 1. Let's discuss about the product function. So the product function is present inside the module named as itertools, and it consists of various functions for creating and manipulating the iterators. Now what are the iterators? Which consist of the sequence of items like lists or tuples or dictionaries or sets. So what product function does? It finds a Cartesian product from the given iterators. So let's write the line of code to find the Cartesian product of the given two lists, such as x is equal to 3, 4, y is equal to 5, 6. Before using the product function, we need to import the product function from the itertools. So what do we write? From itertools, import product. Now let's write the one line code. Let's take in variable li. So I'm going to make a list of all the product of pairs. Now what will be our output? So we are making a list product of x and y, Cartesian product 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 5, 4, 6. So this will be our output when we are using the product function. Now let's illustrate the nested loop and the product function with the help of the program. Now, what the program is, we need to find the elements from the 3 given lists where the sum is 150. Now let's solve this program on the interface of Python, that is PyCharm. So this is the PyCharm. I'm going to write the program. First of all, I'm going to create the 3 lists. List 1 consists of 10, 20, 30. List 2 30, 40, 50, list 3, 50, 60, 70. Now we have 3 lists. The question is, we need to find out the elements from these 3 lists whose sum is 150. So we are going to iterate each and every list present inside here. For A in list 1 or B in list 2. Next, the third loop for C in list 3. Now the condition is the sum is should be equal to 150. Now let's take the condition if A plus B plus C equal to 150, then what we need to print A comma B comma C. Now let's see the output. So if we see the output, so these are the 3 elements whose sum is 150. So we get the output with the help of the nested loops. Now I'm going to use the product function to see our output. So for the product function, first of all, I need to import the product function from iter tools. Import product. Cite the code. For loop for A, comma B, comma C in product. We are going to pass all the 3 lists. List 1, comma, list 2, comma, list 3. So the condition is if A plus B plus C equal to 150. Then we need to print A, comma B, comma C. Now let's see the output. Now the 2 outputs are same. One is with nested loop, second is with product function. So let's compare the code. With the help of the product function, we have completed the code in 3 lines. But with the help of the nested function, we have completed the code in 6 lines. Approximately 6 lines. Okay, so it becomes really difficult, or I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.